The court looks at abduction as one parent leaving the state with the child or children without the written permission or consent of the other party. A lot of times what happens in cases where somebody's unmarried, one parent feels that they have more rights to the child than the other parent, and usually it's the female because they have the child. What happens with the written consent? It can be as simple as a text message communication, an email. It doesn't have to be a notarized document. It just has to be something in writing that the other parent says you can move with the child. The first step a party should take is to contact the Attorney General's office and get into court and file a motion. If somebody has left the state with your child, you should go and file a motion and ask for an emergency hearing and a return order. Our court doesn't necessarily have jurisdiction over Sheriff's Department or anyone in another state at that time. They may have jurisdiction over the party that left, but as far as going to get help to get an order enforced, it may or may not have it. If somebody's still in Nevada, Nevada maintains jurisdiction over a prior order. Somebody brings an order from another state that says you are to pick up your children and the sheriffs in the jurisdiction are to assist you. Well, they don't necessarily have to comply because that other state has no jurisdiction over them to force compliance with an order. So if that's the case, my advice to people is to get an attorney to assist you with the process because it's much quicker. You really don't, some people don't have an idea where to go or what to do on their own. But if you register the prior order as a foreign order here it's called, so you register the foreign order, it can become an order of this court.